What's up, home slice? Lucas here. So you want to learn the backflip, but you don't have access to a gymnastics center. You're too afraid. You don't want to have your friend spot you. You're a do-it-yourself type of person. Not to worry, because I'm going to show you guys how it might be possible to learn a backflip using a resistance band. But you gotta focus. Number 1, the backwards bandit. Get it? You want to tie the resistance band between 2 poles, preferably wider than shoulder width. Yeah, bit of a hack job, but you know, it's a hack. That's the point. An industrial-sized swing set at the park makes a great option, but if you find something more fancy, you can use that too, just make sure it's sturdy. See how close I was to the ledge? Then I wrap my arms behind, under, up, grab the resistance band so I get a firm grip. The resistance bands I'm using are heavy weight, over 100 pounds, so I'm confident I'm not going to hit the ground with my head if I fall. You can test it out by just leaning back into it slowly and making sure it doesn't break. I also want to be sure my resistance band is high enough off the ground so I don't hit the ground when I go backwards. This is all based on body weight and the resistance of the resistance band. When I'm ready, I trust my resistance band and I lean backwards, holding on tight with the arms, pull my legs around over my head. This really helps get over going backwards fear and helps me learn the initial pathway of the backflip. Moving on to number 2, the one-arm whipper. This one is super fancy and super awesome and really can help you get over the fear and build you superior confidence when it comes to learning the backflip on your own. You want to find a pole high enough, throw the resistance band over, grab it on both sides so it doesn't slip around. Common freaking sense. Then you're going to use your other arm, swing down, jump up, just as you were going to do a normal backflip, keeping the other hand holding the resistance band. Follow through, go straight back. You want to be sure your legs don't go towards the resistance band, but slightly away from it, towards the arm that is not holding onto the band. That way you don't get tangled up or do anything weird. Go right over, the resistance band will twist, and this is good, because your arm's not twisting, it's just going around in a circle. Be careful, make sure you have a good grip, and make sure your arm's warmed up. Finally, this is the most fun hypothetical way to use resistance bands to learn the backflip. The two-hand band. You want to find 2 objects that are taller than you that are positioned away from each other. I am tying the resistance band up on each of these and bringing them so I have tension between the 2. If you don't have enough tension, just pull more of the resistance band towards you and have more slack. But there's definitely enough tension here. This is probably the most fun one because it feels like a reverse trampoline. The ground isn't bouncy, but I'm bouncing like a trampoline. When I'm ready, I commit, jump, lean, tuck, turn around, and spot. You want to hold on tight and be sure you don't do anything silly. Otherwise, you might land on your head. If you pull your arms in a little bit, this will increase the tension and hold you above the ground a little bit more. Go slow, practice at your own risk, and be sure to take the proper precautions. But if done correctly, these can help me get over the fear and learn the technique for doing the backflip on the ground. That was low. Alright. It's cold, alright, and I'm tired. Jeez. You can never have too many backflip videos. So I got these resistance bands right here. Got them on Amazon. They're actually pretty high quality. Unbreakable pull-up assist bands. Be ready, take action, and this is why I bought it.